It's nice, man, because we do have these braces.
This is a 10 wide. We got Quaker gray on the walls and Quaker gray on the roof. So we added an approach all the way to the edge of his 30 by 40 tubular metal building.
And it's got the gutters already installed. So the challenge with wood is that it can rot. Check this out, guys. The 1-inch spray foam.
Get all this rattling when you have high winds.
Welcome back, Pack. This is Adbeel and Erik here at
Royse City.
Royse City?
Yeah, not Roy Rodriguez City, Royse City.
Shout out to Roy.
Shout out to our building manager, Roy.
And we're out here in Royse City. Actually, this whole neighborhood, we've been building.
Yes,
quite a bit.
We've been building. We got this building here, and then a mile down the road, we got another one.
Oh, a mile down the road. Okay. It's gonna be a long walk.
Yeah.
Man. But let's start with the walkthrough, because we're gonna do a walkthrough on this awesome 30 by 40 metal building that has cedar posts. So stay tuned. We're gonna walk inside, and then the inside's got the 1-inch spray foam, and he's already got it.
Yeah,
you know,
set up for his man cave. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. There's some little things that I don't like about it, but I'll show you.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
We'll talk about it. Stay tuned. Now, before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you want to get to it?
Let's get it.
Let's go. Alrighty, Erik, talk to me. What did we do here for Jody, for our client here in Royse City?
For Mr. Client here, his existing concrete was up to here, obviously, as you can tell by the different color on the pad. So we added an approach all the way to the edge of his 30 by 40 tubular metal building.
Oh, this is our tubular frame construction, our tubular metal buildings here in Royse City.
Royse City.
It's nice, man.
Yeah.
What colors do we got?
We got Quaker gray on the walls and Quaker gray on the roof. You'll see all that on our drone shots. The doors that you're looking at right now are roll-up doors. These are 12 by 12s. He has 2 of them, and then he has a 7 by 8 on the other side of the building.
On the other side?
Yeah. And obviously, Adbeel and I decided to come when it was wet. We always pick the best dates to come and record.
It's also very windy, and I think
Yeah.
it's a good time to actually go inside the building, because we can actually talk about the roll-up doors. So we'll explain once we're inside, but man, overall the building really stands out, and it's got the gutters already installed. One thing I wanted to talk about, Erik, is, you know, some of our clients have asked, okay, when I have a lean-to, do I need to have a gutter system on, you know, above the lean-to?
Well, not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
I mean, we always do it for aesthetically reasons, but if you think about it, you got your water direction pouring with the lean-to, so you don't really need a gutter system, but it looks more better.
I think it looks a lot better, but yeah, it's not necessary. So, you know, you could eliminate that side, but we do it standard just because aesthetically, this is a lot nicer. Check the lean-to out. What size is this lean-to?
This is a 10 wide, obviously a 40 long, and we got 10 feet on this side and then 13 feet to the eaves on this side.
Oh, okay, so 13 foot, 10.
13 drops down to 10 feet, and these are 8 by 8s.
I think the lean-to starts from, like, because it's a step down lean-to.
Yeah.
It starts from 12 and then goes to 10, right? But the main building is 13 foot
the main
tall.
team to the eaves.
I like this little detail we did on our concrete. So check this out. So since this is wood, the challenge with wood is that it can rot. So we did these little piers step to be able to sit the posts on top. We've actually been building a lot of these cedar posts, Erik, and a lot of our clients have asked, because the price is these are not cost effective. But
if you look at all the detail that went behind it, As you can see at the top, all the extra welding, all the extra bracing. We got a double header all running along the lean-to.
Custom work.
Custom work.
And then the brackets, these brackets also are not in, you know, it's not just the cedar post itself, but there's extra work.
Extra work that goes to it, a little bit more meticulous, more detail orientated. I mean, overall, you're paying for quality.
Yeah, and it's nice.
Yeah.
And we did connect the gutters, or at least the downspouts under. Ready to go inside?
I've been ready.
Yeah, so this is the
freezing.
29 gauge panels though, right? These 29.
Yes, it's a 29 gauge, and then right behind it you got your 1 inch spray foam.
The 1 inch spray foam, you can
This
feel
is
how it's
the 7 by 8
8 by 7
for your big Texas lifted truck. Big Texas lifted truck.
If you were watching our project in, was that Wimberley?
That was in Wimberley.
Yeah.
So
So the joke behind that is that Eric was, you know, doing a video with us in Wimberley project, and it was an 8 foot tall
door. It was an 8 foot tall door, and I said for your big lifted Texas truck, and obviously that can't happen. you need a 12 by 12. That's what you need for you.
Check this out, guys. So it's got a lot of space for a boat. Like right here, that's his boat.
Yeah.
And then you still got more space on this side.
Como dijo Forrest Gump, that's my boat.
It's my boat. You know, he's already kind of got it all set up. So this is a 30 by 40, and a lot of times, you know, what can you fit in there? You know, cars, typically a parking lot is like 10 by like 18, 10 by like 19. So you can fit a car, and then you still have a little bit of a workshop behind. But if you got a boat, RV.
Well, the only part that I don't like about this building is that right there.
Oh, really? Okay. So the Cowboys. Hey, man, I'm a Cowboys fan.
I know you are.
Me. You know, he's got the Army flag. Thank you for your service, sir. Let's get back to business. We do have the 1 inch spray foam. It's really nice. I really, really like it. Spray foam doesn't have to be bad. It's actually really good.
And to all the clients that I've talked to in the past, I've always mentioned that I don't like the yellow color, but I don't know why today I like it.
It's just really nice.
It's just really a nice application.
It's a really nice application. So this is the 1 inch spray foam. This is recommended for, you know, if it's just like a workshop, like a garage like here, 1 inch is good. Now, if you're gonna do like residential or like commercial, you're gonna need more than that.
Take a look at on the detail on the ribs, on the ridges. It's even, it's consistent. You got a consistent application all around your building. And this was done by Juan?
Juan. He does such a great job. So he ran his electrical and then he put his box inside here.
Yeah. So for everyone that wants to run their electrical first, I always recommend to cover this section and obviously your box. That way you have it looks cleaner. It looks clean.
Really nice. Well, I mean, we did the work, right?
Yeah.
And these are our roll-up doors. Eric, now talk to me about these roll-up doors.
So here we have two 12 by 12 roll-up doors, and let's take a look at the notch detail right here as well. Before we move on to the roll-up doors, as you can see, perfect example why we do this notch detail. You can tell it's wet. Obviously, you know, some water is going to get in, but the purpose of this, it doesn't overflow. Mm-hmm. But now going back to the roll-up doors, I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. That's one of the cons of purchasing a roll-up door is that you get all this rattling when you have high winds.
It's very windy outside, actually.
It's very windy outside. But one of the pros is that they're cost-effective, and you get much more headspace.
More headspace. That's right.
Just to go into a little more detail, I'll show you guys. It's pretty easy, guys. In the office, everybody's ripped, like Adbeel, Argenis, David, and Roy. I'm probably the smallest guy, so if I could do it, you could do it too. See all the headspace you just saved?
Yep. You're saving all that, you know, from like an overhead door, it would go all the way out and take about 12 feet of headspace. And another thing to consider is that because we do have these braces on our building, and they're important for the integrity of the building. If it were overhead doors, we would have had to shift this door more to be able to clear that. At least what, like
3
6
feet?
inches to a foot?
Yeah, about a foot.
About a foot.
Just so the tracks can clear those knee braces.
Yeah, those knee braces. So that's things to consider when it comes down to having, you know, a roll-up door versus a overhead door. So let's turn these on. These are nice lights, man. They bright very, very well. And for 40, you know, for this 1,200 square feet, he's only got 4 lights.
Oh yes, perfect example. Clients always ask us, how many lights do I need? So this is a 30 by 40, 13 to the eaves. There you have it.
Well, if you don't know Erik fully, Erik is one of our coordinators. If you do work with us, you probably have met Erik.
You probably met me. You fell in love with me. Can't help it. I'm that guy. I'm that lovable guy.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Just kind of hanging out here in this building. I know, you know, you guys see a lot of our projects. Check out more of our videos. Here we wanted to just kind of relax and just kind of hang around here and show you guys a little bit of this project. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We're happy to help. And do you want to go see a mile away?
Yeah, let's go walk a mile to go see another black and white building.
Another black and white building. Been our most popular building.
Yeah, man.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get to the next one.